back, everyone. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for.
Well, we're waiting.
Today we are finally going to be completing our exhaust system.
Finally!
Giving us a full, complete catback exhaust. If you saw in my previous video, we installed the axle back from Nameless Performance, and as I told you guys, I went ahead and picked up their mid-pipe. Now this will give us a full, complete catback exhaust system. So this is going to sound really good. We're going to get a little bit of performance gains, nothing crazy.
More power, baby! Yeah! Do it, me! More power, baby!
Nothing groundbreaking, obviously, but I'm so excited to go ahead and get this installed. Installation on this will be fairly straightforward, fairly simple, just like with the axle back exhaust. We have, I think, just 4 bolts we're going to be unbolting and then rebolting. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Okay guys, so this goes without saying, but make sure that your car is nice and cooled off. You don't want to work on your exhaust after you just drove, because obviously it's going to be way too hot to touch. So first thing we're going to do is break off the 2 nuts from the axle and the mid-pipe. So with our axle back and our mid-pipe separated, now it's time to remove the front half of the mid-pipe from the rest of the exhaust manifold. It just requires removing these 2 14mm bolts. Alright guys, so with all the bolts completely removed, now it's just a matter of removing the mid-pipe. It's just held up by one exhaust hanger, and we'll put that off to the side, and we can go ahead and put in our new mid-pipe. It's in 2 sections, so we don't have to worry about one giant piece, so it'll be a lot easier to install. And there we have it, guys. That is the installation complete of a mid pipe. Now we have a full complete catback exhaust system on the Impreza. Installation was fairly straightforward, as y'all saw. 4 bolts. It's just a matter of lining everything up and getting it right. The only issue that I did come across, my exhaust tips are completely misaligned now. I went ahead, loosened everything up and tried moving everything around. I still couldn't get it to really line up. So what I am going to probably end up doing is probably order some exhaust hangers, some new exhaust hangers. The factory ones don't really give you much flexibility, so I went ahead and ordered some flexible ones that give you some different options to help adjust the muffler. So maybe, hopefully that'll work. So I do still have some fine tuning to do to mine, but in the event that you come across the same problem, you may have to get you some hangers, some new exhaust hangers, and try and adjust it further. Now, something I forgot to mention, the mid pipe does come in 2 different variants. It comes with a resonator and a non-resonator. As you saw, the one I installed was with a resonator. It is about $100 more than one without a resonator. You don't want drone. I mean, if you want to go all out, hey, just get the one without a resonator. But I'd highly recommend getting the resonator one because we want it to have a nice clean sound. But with all that said, if you liked what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Let's run those sound clips.